This is the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus, which has vast color options, voice control, hands-free with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as the Apple HomeKit. You can also sync with your music, and so much more. Stick around and I'll show you how to set it up. What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here, and welcome back to All About Me, where I talk about Xiaomi products. If you're new to this channel and if you're a Mi fan, you want to know more about Xiaomi products, consider subscribing and hit on that bell notification icon so you get notified once I upload a new video. And for today, we're going to unbox this Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. I'm going to show you walkthroughs on how to set them up, as well as the voice commands, or voice controls. We're going to see how this device is compatible, or how good is this device with Google Alexa and also Apple Kit with Siri. And before anything else, let's give a shout out to our Mi fans out there, starting with Amy Pablo. And next we have Deadpool from India. And we also have Samuel Ikopon Mwasa from Nigeria. And also Ezenkwanko Agustin also from Nigeria. We have Felix Rumpuia. Shout out to 1,000 subscribers without a video. A shout out to you, sir. And also a shout out to Ian Lampkin from Singapore. We also have Aoyel. A big shout out to you, sir. And also Hans TV, a shout out to you. Niji Daniel from Nigeria, a shout out to you. And a big shout out to Sean Santhil from Tamil Nadu. And also we have from Jamaica, Kyan Wright. A shout out to you. And also Suresh B from Bangalore. And Sebastian Jake, a shout out to you. Also a shout out from Turkmenistan, Maksat Kurdov. And that's all for now. I know we have a long list. I'm going to give you a shout on my next video. Don't worry. And if you do want me to give you a shout for all the Mi fans out there, you can leave a comment below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Before we unbox this, let's see what is printed outside the box. So we have the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus, which extendable up to 10 meters, color spectrum, smart control, flexible installation. And on the side, it's telling us that we can group rooms, scenes, sync with music, and color flow. And at the back, it shows more of its features. So like it's extendable up to 33 feet long, and specs as well. And on the other side, we can see what's inside. So we're gonna open this, and yeah, but before I forget, it also works with the Google Assistant and as well as other voice control. So let's open this one. I'm running for you, gotta go and step outside. So warm me up, 'cause I know the world is at my feet. So now the plastic is out of the way. We are going to open this. Alright, it should be from below. Okay, so let's open it. Alright, so we have the light strip. Once we open it, we can see the light strip, which has a nice feel on it. We're gonna check that out later. And there's something like a sticker behind for us to stick it. And let's see what's below this. Okay, we have the manual, which is in English. And we have, yeah, like a customer service card. And we're gonna check what's in it later. Alright, so I have unboxed it, and let's see, we have the adapter, we have the Lightstrip Plus, the control switch, we have the head of the adapter, and yeah, it can put them there. And we also have the manual, user manual. So this is in English, this is a global version, and at the back it also has a Chinese manual. Okay, so it tells you what are the specs, what's inside, what are the features, and how to install, and so on. So we're gonna explore that later, as well as the apps that we can use here. So there are two apps that we can use, which is the Yeelight app and the Mi Home app. So I'm going to show you both of those apps. And here is, okay, at the tip of the Yeelight, you can actually see a connector, so you can just easily connect it, and it comes with this connection for the power adapter. So first we're going to attach the head of that plug and the adapter that connects to the light strip, or with a control in it. So let's go ahead and plug this. It's using a 2-pin Euro plug. Right, so I've done plugging it, and let's see how it feels. Okay, so yeah, again, that is where you can extend it. You can extend it up to 33 inches. We have the control switch, and when you touch it, it's a little bit rubber feeling when you touch it, but I'm not sure over time if it actually turns yellowish, because this type of material, it appears that it does. And behind, there's a sticker. You can peel it so that you can stick it to your wall, or behind your desk, or probably below your sofa, wherever you want to install it. So it's quite sticky. I'm not sure after you stick that on your wall or install it, I'm not sure if you can easily remove it. So we check the switch, so we just have to press to turn this on, and yeah, as you can see, it's well lighted. It's quite even. The lighting is quite bright, actually. I'm not sure what settings, what brightness settings that we have here now. So when you press it, it's gonna switch it off, and if you want to change the color, you just have to press and hold the button, so it changes color, but you can't control which color you want for it. It's just quite straightforward. Just press and hold if you want to play around the lights. So I find that this switch is actually a little bit unnecessary now that we can add voice control. I'm not sure how many of you wants to use just the switch. Okay, so now we are going to connect it with the Mi Home app. So first, as you hit on the plus sign, it will automatically detect that there is the light strip available. So, or you can just add it manually. You just go under lighting and select the Light Strip Plus. Okay, but for this, we are going to use Discover Devices, which is quite easier. You just select on that, make sure you're connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and it connects as easy as that. So it will take probably less than 2 minutes to like connect everything, and it's gonna prompt you once it's done. Okay, make sure you're a good distance to the to your router, to your Wi-Fi router, so that you won't have any problems connecting to this device and adding it to your Mi Home. So that's done. Okay, you can select which room you want to put it. I'm just gonna put it in a bedroom for now, and you can change the name. I'm just gonna keep it Light Strip. It's easier for you to use for your voice command, and you can share it to other Mi devices, Mi Home account, and hit on I agree. Okay, so you have this screen which you can adjust the brightness, adjust the color as usual to the other Yeelight, or the one that we have, Mi Home lights that we have. And the button there, it allows you to switch it on and off. You have the flow that changes the color. You can also change the like the flow of colors. You can change the speed, you can change which color comes first and all that. And there's a button there for a timer below, so it's preset to 15 minutes. You gotta check out the presets that we have here, which are recommended. They already did a preset for you: sunrise, sunset, movie, birthday, and so on. For example, sunrise, if you hit on apply, it simulates this sunrise. The light will gradually get brighter in 15 minutes, and if it's a sunset, it simulates a sunset. The light will gradually dim in 10 minutes and turn it off. So those are some examples you can check out, and just hit on apply. As simple as that. It will do the preset for you. The next thing I'm going to show you is on how to add a favorite. So choose a color that you like, add as a favorite, and just hit on that heart icon there on the top. Okay, and it's going to ask you to name your favorite. Just going to put there fave. Okay, and then you go to favorites icon, go to the favorite tab, then you'll find your favorite. So next time if you want to apply your favorite color, just press on that and automatically it does it for you. You don't have to keep on looking for it. So we're gonna explore now the settings. So first thing we're gonna check is the schedule. So you can also add your schedule to turn it on, turn it off. You can set that over there, and you can hit on that default state if you want to save or remember. The light will remember what was the previous setting before you switch it off. You can have that default setting, default state saved, and you can have the device name, manage location, share your devices, automation, firmware updates, and so on. The automation, you don't have to do this if you are using either Siri or Google Assistant or Alexa. So firmware updates, if it's available, like what we have now, we can just update that. And as well as your additional settings where you can have your network info and so on. Not much other additional settings that you can do over there. Okay, and you can also remove the device if you want to remove it. So we're gonna update this. It shouldn't take that long for the update. Yeah, normally it would just take a couple of minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, and it's gonna finish that. And you will experience, or you see the light blinking. That means it's doing the update. And once it's done, it's just gonna prompt us on that screen in a few minutes now. Okay, that was fast. It didn't even finish. I think it's just only under a minute. So hit on OK, and that's it. Those are the settings that you have that you can see in the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. Okay, so when you go to your dashboard in your Mi Home, you can see that it's already there as a new device that you just added. App that you can use this, which is the Yeelight app. So you can download that as well. It's similar, but some features here is not available in the Mi Home app. So it looks like this as the presets earlier. It goes directly to the presets, recommended presets. It doesn't let you choose by default, unlike the Mi Home app default like colors. And you can also choose white or warm or cool colors over here. Change the brightness. There's a setting for you below that you can just slide. And if you go to colors, it looks like this. It's not as I prefer the Mi Home better because they display it in a way that it's quite appealing. It's quite nice to look at. And there are two things that are not available on the Mi Home app. If you hit on this app drawer for the Yeelight app, you can see the color picker. In Mi Home app, in some other devices, it's called Snap. But the color picker is if you point that circle thing there in the middle and hit on apply, so it will actually apply that color into the light. And another thing is the music control. So I've been looking for this music control. I can only find it in this Yeelight app, which if you press and play, okay, it's either the speaker from the phone or you can actually use the microphone. So once you press and play a music, watch how it would be. So as you play, it will actually, the light will react to the flow of the music. And you can use voice commands to turn off, turn on, change color or brightness using the Google Assistant, the Siri, and also Alexa. Okay Google, turn off light strip.
Sure, turning off light strip.
Okay Google, turn on light strip.
Sure, turning light strip on.
Okay Google, switch light strip color to yellow.
Sure, changing light strip to yellow.
Hey Siri, turn off the light strip.
Okay, the light strip is off.
Hey Siri, turn on the light strip.
Okay, the light strip is on.
Hey Siri, Switch light strip color to yellow.
Yellow coming right up.
Hey Siri, adjust brightness for the light strip to 30%.
Okay, I've set the light strip to 30%.
Hey Siri, turn off the light strip.
Okay, the light strip is off.
Alexa, turn on light strip.
Okay.
Alexa, change light strip color to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, change light strip color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change light strip brightness to 50%.
Okay.
And before we wrap up this video, let's check out the specs. So inside the box, the length is 2 meters. Color temperature is between 2700 Kelvin to 6500. Rated power per meter is 4 watts. The rated voltage is about 100 to 240 volts. It is extendable up to 10 meters. And the wireless connection, it is compatible with the 2.4 gigahertz. And it works with both Mi Home and the Yeelight app. And voice control, it is compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri via the HomeKit. We have reached the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys got something out of it. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more me videos, subscribe and hit on the bell notification icon so you get notified once I upload a new video. And just to let you know, this video is not sponsored. So if you want to help me in some ways, if you want to buy this product, just hit on that link below that I've provided. That would be, I would appreciate if you do that. That will greatly help me in some ways. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Goodbye.